Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on interactive brokers. First, understand that options are financial contracts giving you the right to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price. Interactive Brokers provides a robust platform with powerful tools and low commissions, making it a popular choice for options trading. Ensure your account is approved for options and has adequate funding before you begin. To get started, you'll need to fund your Interactive Brokers account. You can typically do this through a bank transfer or other electronic methods. Next, it's crucial to enable options trading permissions within your account settings. This often involves answering a questionnaire about your trading experience and financial situation. Also, familiarize yourself with margin requirements, especially if you plan on more advanced options strategies. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Interactive Brokers trading platform, like Trader Workstation. Search for the underlying stock you're interested in, then select the specific call or put option contract you wish to trade. Carefully review the strike price, expiration date, and premium. Finally, specify your order type, such as a limit order, enter the quantity, and submit your trade for execution. After placing your trade, it's essential to continuously monitor your open options positions. Market conditions can change rapidly, affecting the value of your contracts. You can close out your options trades by placing an opposing order, or you might choose to exercise the contract if it's in the money before expiration. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This device is perfect for reading up on complex trading strategies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.